Hi, this is Greg Goldberg on behalf of Expert Village. You can check us out at www.minettis.com. In this particular episode, we're going to be talking about strombolis, how to bake them, rotate them in the oven, take them out. What we're doing here is we're putting it in the 500-degree oven for 6 minutes. After our timer's gone off, we're going to again use the metal pizza peel to get right under the stromboli. We're going to go in with a slight angle, just a shimmy kind of motion, get under it. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees and just shake it right off the peel. We're then going to set our timer for another 3 minutes and check it then. After you've given it a few more minutes to bake, we're going to take the metal pizza peel, take the stromboli out of the oven, place it on our sheet here. And you see there's a tiny little hole there. All that cheese is starting to leak out. So hopefully you'll do a better job of closing it up than I did. Then what you want to do is take your pizza wheel, just sort of crunch right down through it there. And just repeat that. Cut it into slices, as thick or as thin as you like. And there you have it.